Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies in an air fryer. Preheat the air fryer to 325 degrees F and line the basket with parchment. Mix butter, sugar, egg, vanilla, flour, baking powder, and salt until combined. Chill dough briefly, then scoop into 1-inch balls and flatten slightly. Bake in a single layer for 6 to 8 minutes until edges are set, then cool on a rack. I like to be friendly and clear when guiding you through baking. Use 1 cup sugar, 1 cup softened butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 5 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Cream butter and sugar until light, add egg and vanilla, then fold in dry ingredients. Taste the dough for balance and adjust vanilla if you want a stronger flavor. I want this to feel like a cozy kitchen chat while you bake. Place cookies in a single layer and avoid stacking. If you have a small air fryer, bake in batches and keep finished cookies on a rack. For a chewier center, remove when edges are set but centers still soft. Sprinkle a bit of granulated sugar on top before baking for an extra sparkle and gentle crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.